Hello and welcome to another sunny Florida season here at Jumbo Auto and Truck Plaza. You can see all our inventory at jumboauto.com. We're one of the largest used commercial truck dealers in Florida, and we've been in the business for about 30 years now. You're looking here at a 2001 Chevy 3500 HD with a Duralift boom on the back. It's a service truck with a utility body. This one's very nice. Can make any business owner happy right here. I'm going to leave this side closed and the other side already open for you. Here's a step deck right here. Pull up the walls. Here's the bucket. Closer shot of the boom. The rear is very clean. Nice truck. Get a shot of the other side. All the cabinets here are open. A lot of space for whatever tools, anything that you really need to put in here. Now I'm going to take you inside, then I'm going to start the engine for you. Inside, out of a 10, I would call it a 9. Door panels, everything clean. Here's all your controls, CB radio. Pop the hood for you here. That's the engine, turbo diesel. And one last thing I want to show you before I close off this video is the controls from the inside, as well as the controls from the bucket, which I can shut off the engine from here as well. Alright, well, this is the truck that we have here. Any owner would be proud to have it, and good luck to whoever gets it.